And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, in Surah Anam, chapter number 6, verse number 160, Allah says that if you do any good deeds, I will multiply it 10 times into your account. And if you do any evil deed, I will only count it as once. For Allah, He does not do anything wrong. So here we realize that if any good deed you do, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, He will multiply it minimum 10 times into your account. If you do any evil deed, He'll count as one. That means if everyone was accounted, 1 point for his good deed and 1 point for the evil deed, without multiplication of the good deeds, not a single human being would have entered Jannah. It is the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He multiplies your good deeds and gives you multiple times more reward, that you shall go to Jannah. That does not mean that deeds aren't important. Deeds are very important. But the grace is more important. Without the grace of Allah, you cannot enter Jannah. Allah multiplies, but your deeds also should be there. If your deeds they don't even multiply, if your deeds are zero, and if you multiply it even 1,000,000 times, it will be useless. So deeds are also important, but without the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, no human being can enter paradise. So because of His quality attribute of being merciful, kind, forgiving, loving, and grace, all these are manifested in the Creator Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.